Now in this question, it is asked that motion of a particle is shown in the figure. At what point does the particle have unstable equilibrium? Unstable equilibrium is particle will move either in this direction if it is slightly displaced by its position. So it will not come back to its original position, that is unstable. So if particle will present at this position, if it will move toward here or here, it will be in unstable equilibrium. So D is the correct option. So third one. Now in this question, the relation between quality factor and relaxation time, it is equals to Q is equals to omega T. And Lissajous figure for two rectangular SHM of phase difference pi by 2. So the shape will be circular. We have studied in the class. When the body is set onto the oscillation by external periodic force as same as the natural frequency of the body, that is called resonance. The equation for a wave traveling in the x direction and maximum velocity. So velocity formula we had studied omega root under a square minus x square, and maximum velocity is at mean position. So a is equals to 0. So maximum velocity is equals to a omega. So we will on comparing this equation, this is a value and this is omega. So a is given in centimeter. So we multiply just 3 times 314. Okay, its unit will be centimeter per second. 3 4 are 12, carry 1, 3 1 are 3, carry 1 4, 3 3 are 9, right? Centimeter per second. If we convert into meter per second, it will be 9.42 meter per second. So third is the correct option. Now in this question, it is said that which of the option is correct. The energy of a small part of a string remain constant in a traveling wave. The energy of a small part of a string remain constant in a standing wave. The energy of a small part of the equal length are equal in traveling wave. Okay, and the energy of a small part of unequal length are equal in a standing wave. Okay, so in energy of a small part of a string remain constant in an standing wave. So energy remain constant in an standing wave because we are not supplying any energy from the external source. So second is the correct option. Now in this question, the engine sounds whistle at the frequency nu, then the frequency heard by the passenger. So passenger is also traveling with the same speed in the train. So frequency heard by the passenger will also be same. There will be no Doppler effect. Now in this question, it is a question of from Newton's ring, plano-convex radius is given, 6th bright fringe diameter is given. Okay, 6th bright fringe diameter is given. So diameter is given, that is 0.68. So radius will be 0.34, right? So, and we know the bright fringe formula for the Newton's ring. Here n starts from 1. So 6th means n is equals to 6. We will plug n is equals to 6, r for value, capital R, that is lens radius 350. If we'll plug everything, we will get the value approximately to be 5,000. So it is 5,000 approximately. Now for zone plate of red color is given by FR is greater than FV, where FV is the focal length for the violet one. So red focal length will be greater than the violet one. We had done in this question in class also.